Simplicity. Simplicity helps in meditation, also finding peace. This book, Meditation Practice Manual, 1981, and reprinted in 2008. If one simplifies life, the mind also remains simple. You can judge a person by looking at their house or desk. If it is clean, their mind is likely to be clean, because simplicity in the mind brings simplicity in our possessions. Food and shelter are the basic necessities. One should question, what do I need? How many things do I need? We need very few things: food, shelter, clothing. Then we may have some wants, but wants turn into desires. We accumulate the things, and the things we accumulate we don't need clutters the space, clutters our mind, and disturbs our peace. So try to only purchase the things you can get use out of it. Clean up the things, throw away, or give it to someone the things you haven't used for last 5 or 10 years. Because you don't clean them up now, it would stay there until you die. One should reduce dependence on habits. Also, simplicity is also lifestyle, like what habits you have. If you are dependent on coffee, dependent on certain thing, it complicates life. So simplifying life, so you enjoy the comforts, but you are not dependent on it. You are not controlled by it. Simplicity of ego means to remove the mask covering of oneself. What it means is, with ego we have certain image, and to maintain that image we do external things just to look good in the society or to look good to our friends. Also we do things to please our senses, and that wastes lots of energy and disturbs our peace. Because of ego, we go to the parties when people invite. We don't want to go, but we cannot say no. This is simplicity, is you are very sure what you want and don't be gullible because of weakness. Somebody pushes you and you cannot say no, that is a weakness. You don't have to be rude, but let others know your style. They won't be offended. You clearly say, I don't want to go any place. Go only to the places where you get more joy out, less disturbance. So if you go to different places, you have to stay up, you have to overeat, you have to talk, you have to be in noisy atmosphere. That is disturbance of simplicity. Real simplicity is being alone with ourselves, withdrawing all the senses, minimizing the needs, so we are happy at any time. So simplicity at physical level, mental level, emotional level, in the habits, at the ego level, at all the levels. So don't be preoccupied by simplifying, by getting rid of the things. If you do that without discrimination, you need the things and you give up, then you have to rely on others and it would complicate the life. So simplicity doesn't mean just getting rid of things, but get rid of the things that produce burden and keep the things that give you freedom, enjoy.